Finally, a new tennis court in Metro Manila. So we're in Las Piñas today and a brand new tennis court just opened up. This is Court Collective. Court Collective has 3 pickleball courts, 1 tennis court, and they've got their own food. There's also an area where you guys can hang, chill, and wait for your turn to play. But before we continue, shout out to Choy Marasigan for inviting us over for their soft opening. The thing I'm most excited about, of course, is the booking system. It's online on Sports 360, so you have to download the app. Wala siyang palakasan, no need to chase an admin, you just book online. Simple as that. And here's what I'm actually hoping for. If Court Collective can prove that tennis courts are profitable in this country, maybe more people will be inspired to build more courts. Because the demand is there, the players are there, we just need more courts. So let's see how this one does. I'm rooting for them. Congrats, Court Collective, on your opening.